Okay, the daily vlogs are back. The reason being, a small handful of you said that you liked them. You appreciated the diversity of content that I was producing. And frankly, if one or two of you are watching these, it's worth it. Better still, I get in and stay in the habit of talking to the camera, which is really challenging for me. I'm not a natural at this. A friend recommended maybe mixing it up. So doing a Monday kind of, here's what's in store kind of vlog, and then with specialty content throughout the week. I'm also going to maybe keep my weekends free. So this might be a Monday to Friday kind of thing. So there, what's he building in there? It's back. I will continue to do unique things for paying subscribers in some of my other online content forums, including Substack. Please do check it out. It's jrobertclark.substack.com. All right, I'm gonna close out this video with some time lapse of me cleaning up this chaos, which formerly was known as my shop. It's gotten a bit out of control. I have some cool projects that I'm working on. I have a contract that's gonna require some space and room to think. And I always like to get a jump start on any creative endeavor by doing a little housekeeping. So that's what we're gonna do right now.